Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this segment, we'll continue our conversation about keeping your tires in top condition and preventing dangerous blowouts. Let's get right into it. Best practices for safe loading. Improperly loading a trailer truck isn't just a logistical mistake, it's a safety risk that can directly lead to tire blowouts. When you don't account for weight distribution, load ratings, and cargo security, you're putting unnecessary strain on your tires. Let's break down how to load your truck safely and reduce blowout risks. Understanding load ratings. Every tire has a maximum load it can safely handle, known as its load rating. This isn't a guideline, it's a critical limit you can't afford to ignore. Exceeding that limit puts tremendous stress on the tire walls, making them more prone to failure. Think of trying to carry a weight beyond your strength. Eventually, something has to give. Here's what you need to remember about load ratings. Check your tire's load index rating, which is marked on the tire sidewall. It tells you the maximum weight the tire can carry at its proper inflation level. Know your gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR. This includes the combined weight of your truck, trailer, cargo, and fuel. Match this total weight to your tire's capacity. Overloading even slightly can cause heat buildup inside the tire. Heat is a tire's worst enemy. It weakens the materials and speeds up wear. The takeaway? Before loading, review the tire specifications and ensure they align with the trailer's total weight. Skipping this step could set you up for trouble miles down the road. Distributing weight evenly. A trailer truck isn't a seesaw. It doesn't function well when weight is poorly balanced. Uneven loads put disproportionate pressure on specific tires, increasing the chances of blowouts on those tires. Imagine trying to walk with all your weight on one leg. It's not sustainable, and it's certainly not safe over long distances. Here's how to keep the weight properly distributed. Center the heaviest items over the axles for better stability. This helps evenly distribute the weight across all tires. Avoid stacking heavy items higher than lighter ones. Tall, uneven piles can shift during transit and throw off balance. If you're carrying multiple pallets, distribute the weight equally on both sides of the truck. Uneven distribution can put extra strain on one side, overloading the tires there. Use scales to double-check axle weights before hitting the road. Many truck stops have scales for this exact reason. Balanced loads aren't just important for tire health. They also make steering, braking, and overall driving safer. A well-balanced trailer feels steady and predictable, so you're less likely to face surprises while driving. Securing cargo appropriately. Once the weight is distributed, you need to make sure it stays in place. Shifting cargo can be disastrous, not just for your tires but for the entire trailer. When cargo moves suddenly, it creates uneven pressure on your tires, which can lead to a blowout. It's like stopping short with a loose grocery bag. Everything tumbles, and you're left with a mess. Here are tips to keep cargo secure. Use high-quality straps and tie-downs. Don't skimp here. Weak restraints can snap under the stress of a shifting load. Place cargo snugly against fixed points, like walls or barriers. This minimizes movement and keeps everything in place. Verify that tie-downs meet weight capacity ratings for your cargo. If you're unsure, choose straps rated for more than the cargo weight. Cover open cargo with tarps or nets if necessary. This isn't just to avoid spills, it prevents wind and road vibrations from loosening the load. Proper cargo security does more than protect your tires. It ensures your shipment arrives intact and reduces the risk of accidents caused by unexpected load shifts. Being diligent in securing your freight is one more step towards safer trucking. Proactive measures for harsh conditions. Harsh conditions on the road can transform a regular trip into one filled with risks for both drivers and their trucks. Whether you're battling extreme weather or poor road surfaces, simple but effective adjustments can go a long way in protecting your tires and reducing the risk of blowouts. Let's look at how to handle these challenges with confidence and preparation. Driving in extreme weather. Weather is unpredictable, and it doesn't take much to make roads unsafe, especially for loaded trailer trucks. Rain, heat, snow, and ice all impact tire performance differently, so knowing how to handle these conditions is key to staying safe. Rain. Wet roads mean reduced traction. Drive slower, maintain a greater following distance, and avoid abrupt braking or sharp turns. Rain also increases the risk of hydroplaning, so ensure your tires have proper tread depth to channel water away effectively. Heat. Hot weather can be brutal on tires, often causing overheating. Check tire pressure more frequently, as heat expands the air inside tires, increasing the risk of overinflation. Park in shaded areas when making stops to prevent further heat buildup in your tires. Snow and ice. These conditions demand extra caution since tires lose grip quickly. If you drive in icy areas often, consider snow tires or tire chains for better traction. Keep speeds low, avoid sudden movements, and be mindful of black ice, which can appear invisible. Cold temperatures. When temperatures drop significantly, tire air pressure decreases. Underinflated tires are more prone to blowouts, so check pressure often during cold weather. Also, inspect tires for cracks or brittleness, which can worsen in freezing conditions. Adapting your driving style to the weather ensures your tires remain effective and reduces unnecessary wear, helping you prevent blowouts before they happen. Dealing with poor road surfaces. Good tires can manage tough roads, but poor surfaces test even the most durable ones. From potholes to uneven pavement, these hazards are tire killers if handled recklessly. Protect them by adjusting your driving approach. Lower speeds. Driving slower reduces the force of impact when hitting bumps or holes. Speed amplifies tire damage, so take your time on rugged roads. Avoid potholes. If you can safely maneuver around a pothole, do it. If not, go through it slowly and straight rather than swerving. Sharp angles or sudden turns can stress the tires even more and increase the harm. Aim for smoothness. Sudden jerks of the steering wheel or slamming on the brakes are some of the fastest ways to damage tires in rough areas. Smooth, gradual inputs are not only kinder to the tires but also better for the truck's suspension system. Stay alert. Poor roads tend to have hidden hazards like debris, loose gravel, or exposed spikes. Keeping your eyes vigilant and scanning ahead gives you time to react without making risky maneuvers. Treat bad roads like obstacles in a course, stay patient and tackle them thoughtfully. Your tires will thank you for the extra care. Using high-quality tires. Not all tires are created equal, and cutting corners here can leave you more vulnerable to blowouts. High-quality tires, while a bit more upfront in cost, are designed to handle the demanding conditions truck drivers face daily. Performance and durability. Top-tier tires are built to last with advanced materials that resist wear and tear. They're engineered to perform under heavy loads and fluctuating pressures, giving you peace of mind during long hauls. Traction in all conditions. Premium tires often have deeper, better designed treads that provide strong traction, whether you're on wet, icy, or uneven roads. This reduces the risk of skidding and improves overall handling. Heat resistance. High-quality tires are more resistant to overheating from the friction caused by high speeds or heavy cargo. This feature alone can help reduce blowout incidents during summer or on long, grueling highways. Cost efficiency. While it might seem counterintuitive, investing in premium tires saves money over time. They wear more slowly, experience fewer issues, and lower your fuel costs thanks to better rolling efficiency. When you're choosing tires, think of it like buying reliable boots for rugged terrain. You need them to be sturdy, dependable, and capable of taking on the toughest challenges without breaking down. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.